Hello, traders! Today is Friday, September 13th, and this is my analysis of the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the monthly, it definitely looks like the end of a wave 5, and if it is the end of a wave 5, eventually it probably will take out the low of wave 4. There is a possibility that this is a correction to this move up right here, and if that is the case, we definitely should recognize that, but we are either in a wave A or a wave 1 right now, and it doesn't really matter because the trading strategy is exactly the same whether it's a wave A or whether it's a wave 1. So going down to the weekly time frame. Weekly time frame, this is obviously still just one downtrend. Like I said, it's either a wave A or a wave 1. Most wave A's and wave 1s do end around the low of a wave 4, so it probably will end at some point after it takes out that low. But don't rely on that. I would continue to look for shorts until you get confirmation that it's going back up. So going down to the daily time frame, like I said, all one big downtrend. The trend is definitely down on the monthly, weekly, and daily. So that means that I am definitely 100% looking for shorts on the much shorter time frames. Most recent shorts is right here. We just passed this Fibonacci extension level. So yeah, definitely very bearish until the market tells me otherwise. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. Now we have a new swing low in, which means that I can move my important structure from here to here. So now if this structure right here gets broken, that's what's going to turn me into a buyer. Otherwise, man, if you have been looking for shorts, you've probably been killing it. The yen pairs just keep on drifting down and down and down, and the trend is your friend. So I don't really see the point of trying to fight the trend, but instead I would much rather prefer to try to get in on three-way pullbacks for the continuation of the trend. So going down to the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour time frame, really the only strategy right now is to either be holding a short, waiting for an exit, or to be patiently waiting for a pullback. It definitely does have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ways down. So hopefully it does pop up. Hopefully it does break structure. Then once it does that, you can throw your Fibonacci retracement on there and either look for 1, 2, 3 ways up to a fib level to go short again, or you can observe to see if it goes up here and breaks structure. If it does go up there and break structure, I definitely will happily start looking for longs. But even if it does start a move to the upside, even if it does break this structure, I am still going to be looking for shorts in a downtrend at the end of three-way pullbacks. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.